12.2 Area of a trapezium. The area of a trapezium is equals to half times the sum of the parallel sides times the perpendicular height. Okay, so look at this trapezium drawn here. There's two parallel sides, A and B, and the perpendicular height is H. The perpendicular height must be 90 degrees to the parallel sides. So we can write it down as half times A plus B H. Okay, so half times A plus B. A plus B is the sum of the parallel sides and multiply by the perpendicular height. Take note that the height is not the slanted height. Okay, it's not the slanted height. All right, let's start with some examples to identify the height of trapezium. So look at question 1a. We have a trapezium here. We have a trapezium with a pair of parallel sides. The arrows indicate that they are parallel. Now, can you mark the height for each case? So for question 1a, the first thing that you need to do, you take your ruler, you identify the parallel side first. Okay, it doesn't matter whichever parallel side you want to use. So I'm going to use this parallel side. Secondly, I'm going to take another ruler and then I will find the 90 degrees, find the perpendicular to that parallel side. Okay, I'm going to draw a dotted line. So this is the perpendicular height, H. It must be perpendicular to the parallel side. Okay. Next one is question 1b. Let's find the height for this next trapezium. So this trapezium also has a pair of parallel sides. Okay, make sure you identify either one of the parallel side and then you find the 90 degrees to the parallel side. You find the perpendicular, draw a dotted line, mark 90 degrees and label it H. So this H is the perpendicular height of the trapezium. Okay, next let's go on to example 2. Let's solve some problems to find the areas using the formula given above. Okay, for question 2, very straightforward. Find the areas of the following trapezium. So you need to present your work properly. Write down your statement. Write down area of trapezium equals. So the first thing, you can write down your formula. Half bracket A plus B times the perpendicular height. And then next step is just to substitute in the values that is from the trapezium. Make sure you substitute the correct values. So put in half sum of the parallel sides. So you need to identify which of the 4 sides are the parallel sides, and you notice that 10 and 18, they are the parallel sides. So you take 10 plus 18. And where is the perpendicular height? The perpendicular height is 13 centimeters. H is equals to 13 centimeters. So multiply by 13. You just press calculator and then you should get 182 centimeters square. Okay, so present your answers like this. Write down your statement and your formula is optional. Once you memorize, you don't have to write the formula down. I'm just writing down so that you remember now. Okay, next let's go on to question 2a. Question 2a is another trapezium. So the same thing, you have to write down the statement. What are you finding? So you are asked to find the area. So area of trapezium is equals to, same formula. You must memorize this, okay? Half bracket A plus B times the perpendicular height. So substitute in the correct values. What is A, what is B? A and B are the sum of the parallel sides, A plus B, 3 and 6. So substitute in correctly inside the formula. 3 plus 6, half times 3 plus 6 times 5. Okay, the perpendicular height, it must be 90 degrees to the parallel sides. And you will get 22.5 centimeter square.